Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. I'm very excited today. We're going to be picking off the red currants from this bush back here by our apple trees. I've done a lot of cleaning up back here, did a bunch of pruning. There's a little pear tree down here, another apple tree. I need to scythe down the weeds and the grass and also some of the black locusts that are growing up. Our raspberries are doing really well in the back there, and this red currant is doing awesome. You can see so many of the fruits now. It's actually just drooping down like all over. Probably gonna have to like prune this back a little bit in the fall, or I might do it in the spring. But super delicious fruit. I just had some with the missus. We're gonna come back in the afternoon. We got to run off this morning, and I'll hopefully be picking them all. We'll be picking them all later this afternoon. But I mean, you can just see it. It's so beautiful. Really delicious fruit, and really good size fruit too. That's one of the reasons why I really like this particular red currant that we have. The fruits are really big. Like most of the currants that we have here in Hungary, that I've seen anyway, they tend to be smaller, but these guys are pretty big. You can see quite a few of them over here as well. It's really cool. I'm super happy about this. And I'm actually very excited that I've actually managed to seemingly with success propagate a few of these earlier this year. I didn't show you guys the video because I just didn't even really have time at the time that I was doing it. But maybe this fall or in the winter I'll be doing it again, and I'll show you guys the plants that I managed to root at the beginning of the year. But I'm really excited about that, and we'll be planting more of these in the garden here, so it's really cool. I'll be back this afternoon to show you guys the harvest. All right, guys, pretty happy with the results. Have a few, maybe, I don't know, a couple kilos worth of currants here, and they're delicious. They're very sweet, and like I was showing you guys, they're pretty big for currants, and I really like the way these ones in particular taste. So I'm very happy that it looks like the plants that I've been rooting, the little canes, seem like they are growing nicely. I'm going to show you guys a video overlay of how they're growing. I think they're actually doing pretty well. At first I thought only 3 of the 4 canes took root, but then the 4th little guy also seems to be doing pretty good now. So I'm going to give a couple away, one for my mom, one for my brother, and then I'll plant 2 of them here in the garden, maybe at the end of the summer. And then hopefully we'll see if they make it through the winter. And then gonna end the video here pretty soon, but just really quick, I want to show you guys something that's coming in the works. Got a couple mushrooms here, and got a bunch of mushroom substrate that just got delivered right before we picked the currants. So that will be a video coming up, I think, in the next few weeks, of what we aim to do with some of that substrate. But yeah, stick around. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hope you did. Hope you guys are growing your own garden, your own fruit. If you think you've missed the growing season for the year, no worries. Go get a fruit bush, you know, like a red currant or black currant or a gooseberry or, you know, raspberries. Plant them out. Next year you guys will have fruit on them. So, you know, it's never too late to start. So yeah, that's it. See you guys in another video soon. Bye.